How to change Google background email. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you do it in your desktop, it will be very much easier and also available. So let's begin. So first, launch your browser and then tap on the three dot from your top right corner. After that, go to settings. In your web version, you will also see an option of customize Chrome. Since this is not a desktop version, you cannot do it. But you can still change the theme from light and dark. But if you want to change or add a background image in your Chrome, simply go to customize Chrome, then appearance in your desktop. After that, go to classic Chrome, or after that you will see an option upload an image. Tap on it, and then you will be able to upload image from your desktop gallery and set it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.